video. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button and ring that little bell. Today we're gonna make loaded potatoes. I have already rinsed the potatoes, so now I'm gonna just wrap them in foil and poke holes in them and pop them in the oven.
Yeah. I want to help, Mommy. Can I help?
The most amazing clothes.
Can I put this in?
Lock it on.
I want to
You
help.
cooking baked potatoes.
Can I help put the foil on?
Oh, it's going on the potato.
Where's the part? I need the part.
Robert.
Man, let me have the potato. I'm gonna do that one. Ah, Mommy, I poked the big hole.
Okay, guys, we're done
Big hole.
poking the holes in the potatoes and getting them ready. We're gonna put the oven on 375 and we'll be back in a minute.
I help.
We're gonna grill up this meat. Give me another pan for the shrimp.
Shrimp.
I didn't know you was cooking like that, Mom. Here you go. We're gonna, no. How many shrimps we gonna put in there? Two. Gonna use some onion powder. Some complete. And some more spice seasoning. I'm gonna mix up this chicken to get a little brown. And then I'm going to get ready to remove this from the heat. And I'm going to add the shrimp and the crawfish tails.
Shrimp. Crawfish.
That smells good. Why you pulling my camera? So I'm going to transfer this to another pan so I can do this myself.
Is this the automatic? Get it hotter. About the second.
We're going to add this shrimp.
Now, I said they were peeled in the vein, but they're actually easy peel shrimp.
So I did have to peel them afterwards. Just has the tail on. And I'm going to add the onion powder. More spice. And some complete. Mix this up a bit.
Christmas time is not so far away. You gonna put that in the potato? With the tail in it? That was cute with the tail.
Just let that cook for a few minutes.
It looks yummy. There's a place of... The meat's done.
It's not this. It's the meat.
We're gonna add more stuff in the potato. That's what?
On the crawfish tails, I guess we'll add crawfish tails.
Why you got that one on?
I don't know, it's just on.
To get more heat?
No, it's just on.
Why this fire bigger than the other fire?
It's fine.
Christmas time is not so far away.
And they're pretty big.
Oh, can I try that?
It's not done.
I don't even count. So far away.
Thought that these shrimp were peeled, but they're easy peel shrimp. So I'm gonna have to go back and remove the shells from them. I'm gonna wait till they're cooked. I normally buy peeled and deveined shrimp. Now these are pretty much done, so I'm going to pull these and put them in a strainer, and I'm going to go ahead and add the crawfish tails. Just the way it's looking. It's a little hot, but and I'm going to add the crawfish tails. Add a little seasoning to them, the same seasonings again, a little more spice. Onion powder. Some complete. And these are pre-cooked, so I'm just gonna warm them up pretty much. And while this is warming, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the shrimp. It's gonna take a second. Okay, this is gonna be for loaded potatoes. I have the chicken, crawfish tails, shrimp, and then this is boudin that I'm gonna also add into there. I have 2 spicy and 1 mild boudin. Add it to the microwave for about 4 minutes. This from the stove since the towel is a little messed up. I don't want to turn it off. Okay guys, I have peeled all the shrimp, so I'm going to add them back into the pot. Along with the chicken. And some boudin. Now I'm going to empty the boudin into the pot. And remove it from the skin.
I ain't going outside today. You should find out, Ted. I don't care. Say that's my weed. Or you. Say that's my weed. He's gonna believe. Look, your daddy's gonna believe. Your daddy gonna believe you. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna say your daddy shut up.
I'm gonna mix all that in.
Shut up.
I'm saying you told me shut up.
Shut up.
Dude, so I'm trying to talk to you. Shut up.
I might have to transfer this to a bigger pan because I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream and some cheese.
Oh, she did.
I'm telling your mom when you went. That's why you spell first grade.
Spell first grade.
Okay, here's the whipping cream. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour in the heavy whipping cream. And the cheese. I'm going to mix all that in. And then I'm going to add a little more seasoning. Cut the pan all the way down pieces is sliced cheese because I'm out of the shredded. Now, once the potatoes are soft, it's ready to serve. This is the results of the loaded baked potato.
I'm done.
We'll take a bite and try it out. You guys should try it on your own and let me know how it comes out.
What's this?
Thanks for watching.